gonna cut up the lettuce. Okay, the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let that heat up a little bit. It's nice and hot, so I'm going to add the ground turkey. Okay, it's been cooking for 1.5 minutes. I'm going to flip it. It's on medium heat. Let that cook for another minute. Okay, it cooked for another minute, so I'm going to stir it around. The pan is nice and hot, so it will not stick. Okay, I don't see any more pink. Nice and brown. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of taco seasoning mix. And 1/4 cup of butter. Stir this around. I'm going to dice some tomatoes. Okay, this has been simmering for 5 minutes. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of picante sauce. Mild picante sauce. Stir this around. Let this sit for another 5 minutes. On low. Okay, I'm going to make some guacamole to go on top. Got 2 avocados. Slice these in 4s. Take the seed out. Slice the other one. Okay, this is a great machine I have here called the Ninja. This is the lid, it goes on top. And this is the top. It plugs in. some tomatoes. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of taco seasoning mix. And a half a teaspoon of garlic salt. And a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, an important part to me, to the guacamole, is lime. The lime juice. Okay, now we'll use the Ninja to mix this together. Give it a try. Okay, I'm going to add the meat to the salad and tomatoes. And some cheese. And sour cream. And of course the guacamole. And if you want an additional crunch to it, you can add some tortilla strips. Southwest flavor. All right, let's give this a try. That's good.